Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox for the month of March. Card on top says a daily facial massage promotes circulation and skin elasticity. That word's hard for me to say for whatever reason. I have 5 products here. Looks like one of them is full size. Me Arrow. Just talks about their clean formulas, travels well. And I know I've had stuff from them before, maybe like mascara. We'll see what's in here. First up, Wander Beauty, Rendezvous, and this is Double Date Lip and Cheek. And I like the packaging, see-through, so you can get a good idea of what that shade looks like. The next item, AO7. This is a Moisture Deep Cream. Totally destroying the box. Cute container. Has a very light scent to it, and it is made in Korea. Then we have Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. And according to the card, this is a new item and full size. I have gotten this brand from Lip Monthly, I believe. And it does have like a candy scent to it, so it smells really good. 27 Rossiers, I'm butchering that, I'm certain. This is Fight Grime Deep and Fresh Gel Cleanser. So happy to have that, can always use another cleanser. And the last item, Neon & Co. Treatment Oil. Magic water gives good hair day after day. Cool, so let's take a look at the card. Here's a list of all the items I got, their full resale, or retail value rather, and some more information about them. So if you guys would like to join, I'll put a promo code below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.